Long hours, endless lines of Python code, complex AI algorithms. It's easy to get lost in the grind, but if you're not careful, that grind can take a toll on your body and mind. 3 quick exercises to stay energized and productive. Exercise 1. The desk stretch. Release tension in your neck and back. Instructions. 1. Sit tall in your chair, feet flat on the floor. 2. Slowly drop your chin toward your chest. Feel the stretch along the back of your neck and upper back. 3. Hold for 10-15 seconds, then gently raise your head and tilt it back to look at the ceiling. 4. Hold again for 10-15 seconds and repeat 3 to 5 times. This stretch releases the tension that builds up from hours of hunched-over coding. Exercise 2. The code break. Squat. Get your blood flowing. Next, let's get your blood flowing and activate those legs. This exercise will help you stay awake and alert, even during long coding sessions. Instructions. 1. Stand tall with your feet shoulder-width apart. 2. Slowly lower your hips back and down, like you're about to sit into a chair. 3. Keep your knees behind your toes and your chest upright. 4. Push through your heels to return to standing. 5. Repeat for 2-3 sets of 10-15 reps. Exercise 3. Desk push-ups. Activate your upper body and core. Finally, let's activate your upper body with some desk push-ups. These are a great way to work your chest, shoulders, arms, and core, all while staying in your workspace. Instructions. 1. Stand a few feet away from your desk. 2. Place your hands on the edge of the desk, keeping your body in a straight line from head to heels. 3. Lower your chest toward the desk, then push back up. 4. Repeat for 2-3 sets of 10-15 reps, and there you have it. 3 quick, easy exercises to keep you moving, energized, and focused during your busy PhD journey. These exercises don't just keep your body healthy, they help your brain stay sharp and creative, which is exactly what you need to push through those tough coding sessions. Remember, your body and mind are connected. By staying active, you'll not only feel better but think better too. So take those breaks, stretch it out, and keep pushing forward in your research and coding. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that subscribe button for more productivity and wellness tips designed specifically for PhD students. Keep coding, keep moving, and take care of yourself.